Right now, there are countless faceless channels on YouTube posting simple fact-style shorts, psychology facts, relationship truths, and little relatable insights, and many of them are quietly turning those videos into real money. Some of these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month without showing their face, without recording their voice, and without complicated editing. They're all following a very similar system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through that exact system step by step, and I'll show you how you can realistically use it yourself without hype and without needing expensive tools. Short-form videos work because they're fast, addictive, and easy to share. The mistake most beginners make is trying to upload hundreds of random clips, hoping one goes viral. That almost never works. What actually works is creating smaller, higher quality batches, testing them, and then doubling down on what your audience actually likes. Our goal here is simple. Create around 20 to 40 strong videos at a time, learn from the results, and then scale the ideas that perform best. The first step is using ChatGPT. Open a new chat and paste the prompt I've placed below this video. In that prompt, we ask ChatGPT to generate short fact sets, a topic, a first line that acts as the hook, and a second line that delivers the payoff. I keep it around 30 to 40 ideas per batch, because when you ask for 200 at once, the quality drops and everything starts to sound the same. When the table is generated, quickly review it. Delete anything unrealistic, rewrite lines that feel too long or confusing, and keep what feels natural and relatable. That tiny editing step is what makes your videos feel intentional instead of obviously auto-generated. Next, we're going to use Canva, and for what we're about to do, you'll need access to Canva Pro. But don't worry, you don't have to pay anything right now. Go to canva.com/pro. When the page opens, click the button that says Start Free Trial. Follow the steps, and in less than a minute, you'll have a full 7-day Canva Pro subscription completely free. During those 7 days, you get access to all the premium videos, fonts, templates, and most importantly, the bulk creation tools we need for automation. If later you decide you don't want to keep it, you can simply cancel before the trial ends and you won't be charged. So just use it while we build everything together. Once your free trial is activated, open Canva Pro and choose a YouTube Shorts template. Start with a blank vertical project so the size is correct. Now we're going to build a clean layout. Add a soft background video. Nature, sky, or something calm works perfectly. Trim the clip to about 6 seconds and mute any audio so it doesn't distract. Then add 3 text layers, one at the top for the topic, one in the middle for the hook, and one slightly lower for the second line. Use a clear font, high contrast colors, and make sure the text stays inside the safe frame so nothing gets cut off on mobile. Simple, readable design consistently outperforms flashy, cluttered graphics. Now let's set the timing. We don't want both lines showing at once. Let the first line appear for the first 3 to 4 seconds, and then let the second line appear during the final 2 to 3 seconds. That small delay creates curiosity, and many viewers will re-watch the video just to catch the final line, which increases retention and helps YouTube push your content further. When your template looks good, we'll automate the boring part. Inside Canva, open the Bulk Create feature. Click Enter Data manually, then paste the table we generated in ChatGPT. Canva automatically recognizes each column. Now connect each column to the correct text layer. Topic to the top text, first line to the middle text, and second line to the lower text. With one click, Canva generates a full batch of shorts from your template. No copy-paste marathon, no rebuilding slides one by one. When everything is generated, click Share, Download, and turn on Download Pages as separate files. You'll get individual video files ready to upload. Start posting consistently. Upload a few, watch your analytics, and pay attention to which topics keep people watching the longest. Instead of guessing, let the data guide you. Create more around the ideas that actually hold attention. Yes, you could repeat this process and eventually produce hundreds of videos, but the smart way is steady improvement. Smaller batches, stronger hooks, clearer text, and constant testing. That's how real channels grow over time. Your style becomes recognizable, your content feels intentional, and your audience builds naturally without fake promises. If this helped, drop a like and tell me what you want me to teach next. I'll keep sharing honest, practical breakdowns so you can use AI the right way and actually build something that lasts. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to start creating.